What happens when you're sitting in your exam and your mind goes blank and you just cannot remember the formula needed for the area of a triangle? Well, I'm going to show you how to work it out using the area of a rectangle. So the area of a rectangle, we know, is base multiplied by height. So this is our base. That makes this length the height. Okay, let's go back to the triangle. I'm going to make the triangle a rectangle. Here would be 90 degrees, here would it be 90 degrees, and here would be 90 degrees. Looking identical. So let's mark them up. We know in a rectangle that this length equals this length. So that means in the rectangle we have just created, this length would equal this length. We know this length is 3 centimetres. So that makes that length 3 centimetres. We know in the rectangle, this length is equal to this length. So that would make this length equal to this length. We know that length is 10 centimetres. Here would also be 10 centimetres. So I'm now going to take our numbers that we've got here and put them into here. So our base would be 3 centimetres and our height is 10 centimetres. We're going to put our numbers into our formula. So the area would equal the base, which is 3 centimetres, multiplied by the height, which is 10 centimetres. 3 times 10 is 30, and our unit would be centimetres squared. So the area, we know the space all inside here is 30 centimetres squared. So let's go back to what we created at the top. If we look at it, the triangles are the same. If you were to cut this out and put each one on top of each other, they would be identical. So what does that mean? Well, if I know all of it is 30 and I know I've got 2 the same, I know if I half this answer, it would give me one of them. So if I half 30 centimetres squared, that would give me 15 centimetres squared. So I know this must be 15 centimetres squared, and here must be 15 centimetres squared, so that the whole total is 30 centimetres squared. So that means the formula for the area of a triangle equals base multiplied by height, all divided by 2.